Unnecessary programs slowing down your laptop's reboot. Does this look familiar? Waiting endlessly for your laptop to reboot while you wonder why it takes so long? Hi everyone. Welcome back to Webserve Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. Today, I will show you how to optimize your PC or laptop to ensure it reboots faster. So let's get started. Here's the good news. You can easily take control. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then navigate to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that launch at startup. Not all these programs are necessary to run immediately. Simply select each application one by one and right-click to disable the ones you do not want to run all the time. Don't worry, you can still open them manually when you need. By trimming the startup list, you'll notice a faster reboot and a more responsive system, letting you focus on what truly matters. Take control today. Optimize your startup programs and experience the difference, because your time is too valuable to waste waiting on a reboot. And that's it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe us for more videos. Thanks you for watching the video. We'll see you the next one.